At MI Windows and Doors, our windows are engineered and designed in state-of-the-art facilities with dedicated team members and robust in-house testing procedures to ensure we meet or exceed industry standards. Before we begin the manufacturing process, all our window designs are put through a series of comprehensive tests on one of the industry's largest and most extensive testing walls, so you get a product proven to provide years of worry-free performance. Some of our windows are even designed to stand up to hurricane-force winds and debris. Through advanced engineering, high-tech manufacturing, quality craftsmanship, careful installation, and an industry-leading warranty, you can rest assured knowing you've made the right choice. Work with your authorized MI dealer to get started. To find out more about our windows, visit miwindows.com.